Ever wondered how daily used metals like bicycle frame, engines, gym equipments, futuristic EV charging panels, kitchen appliances, strip-sill, and many more are painted? Join us on a fascinating journey as we unveil the magic of powder coating, an eco-friendly and cost-effective finishing technique which are seamlessly applied to metals, delivering durable, vibrant, and corrosion resistance across diverse applications while minimizing environmental impact. Unloading materials. After fabrication process, materials arrive at the powder coating factory. Then, the materials are carefully unloaded from vehicle and organized in the warehouse for further processing. Surface preparation. Surface preparation is a key factor for successful powder coating. Surface cleaning with emery paper is a common technique used to remove rust, grease, oil, and any imperfections from metal surfaces. Emery paper coated with abrasive particles is applied with gentle pressure to the metal, effectively smoothing rough areas and restoring shine. After cleaning with emery, sandblasting will be done where a high pressure stream of air or water propels abrasive particles which will smoothen rough surfaces and remove remaining surface contaminants. To remove rust and other particles from metal surfaces before powder coating, chemical solvents like acetone, isopropyl alcohol, and phosphoric acid based rust removers are commonly used. These chemicals convert iron oxide, that is rust, into a stable compound. This process not only enhances the appearance of the metal but also prepares it for the subsequent treatments such as painting or coating. Pretreatment. The 7-tank process is a surface preparation method used in powder coating. It is a pretreatment that involves 7 steps to ensure the surface is clean, free of contaminants, and are properly prepared before applying the powder coat. Degreasing. In the first tank, the metal parts are cleaned to remove dirt, grease, oil, and other contaminants. This step is crucial to ensure good adhesion of powder coating to the metal surface. Water rinsing. After degreasing, the parts are rinsed in clean water to remove any remaining cleaning solution or contaminants. Derusting. It uses acidic solution that removes any surface rust or oxidation, creating a clean substrate for the subsequent coating layers. Water rinsing. Similar to previous rinsing step, the parts are rinsed again in clean water to remove any residual etching solution. Activation. The metal parts are then immersed in an acidic solution, typically containing phosphoric acid, to improve adhesion. Phosphating. In this tank, the metal parts are immersed in a phosphate solution, such as iron phosphate or zinc phosphate. This provides corrosion protection and further enhances the adhesion of the powder coating. Passivation. In the final tank, the metal parts are treated with a passivation solution to neutralize any remaining acidic residues and promote surface stabilization. This steps helps in preventing flash rusting and improves the overall durability of the coating system.
Here, the materials are loaded into the carriage and are lifted using industrial crane to dip into all 7 tanks. The materials are dipped from tank 1 to tank 7, one after the other as per the 7 tank process durations. After the materials are treated in all the tanks, they are lifted and are allowed for draining. This process ensures enhanced corrosion resistance and improved adhesion, resulting in high quality, long-lasting coated products.
Drying and air blasting. After pretreatment, the materials are allowed to dry. Compressors play a crucial role in providing the necessary compressed air for various operations throughout the powder coating process. Here, pressurized air from the compressor is used for air blasting to remove remaining residues. Powder coating. The powder which is used for coating are carefully stored in racks and are kept in dry, clean, temperature and humidity control room. These powder boxes are organized and clearly labeled with information such as product color, texture, curing schedule, and object temperature, which helps to identify and track inventories effectively. The required powder for coating will be identified and taken to the powder coating booth. Here the powder is made up of resin such as epoxy, polyester and polyurethane with pigment, fillers and curing agents. The powder is then loaded to the container, which is durable and efficient vessel designed for holding and dispensing powder coating materials. The metals, after air blasting, are taken to the booth and hanged to a pulley for coating. Here, the coating is done using an electrostatically charged gun that sprays finely grounded powder particles onto a surface, creating a uniform and durable coating when cured. In the powder coating process, materials are grounded to ensure that they maintain a neutral charge, which helps the positively charged powder particles adhere evenly to the surface being coated. Grounding prevents the buildup of static electricity and promotes uniformly coating coverage, resulting in high quality and durable finish. Depending on the applications where the materials will be installed, the resin and color of powder will be determined. Curing. Post-coating, the materials are taken to the oven for curing. Here, a bidirectional oven is used for curing, which is diesel driven and is controlled by a control unit. The materials are hanged on the oven stand before taking it to the oven. With hang materials will be pushed into the oven and sealed once oven meets required initial temperature. The required target temperature will be set using the control unit based on the applications of the materials and powder used. This process typically takes place at temperatures between 160 to 210 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, the powder coating booth will be cleaned using cyclones. The booth contains openings on either side which is connected through tubes to cyclones. These cyclones will effectively separate oversprayed powder particles from the air, improving powder recovery and reducing waste. Also, manual cleaning will be done to recover the accumulated powder particles on the inner surface, which will be sucked using the cyclones. They utilize centrifugal force to separate and collect the powder particles, ensuring cost effectiveness and environmentally friendly operations. Once the oven temperature reaches the set target temperature, the control unit stops further heating and it is indicated through its LEDs. Later, the oven doors will be opened and the stand will be pulled out carefully, leaving the oven to drop to its initial temperature and the materials to cool down. The oven is a heated chamber that cures and fuses powder-coated finishes onto metal surfaces by applying controlled heat, allowing the powder particles to melt, flow, and create a durable protective coating with different types of textures. Post-cooling, the coated materials are taken back to the site for checking dents and patches. Patchwork bottles are containers filled with matching powder coating materials used for touch-ups and repairs. They serve as convenient tools for maintaining a seamless finish in powder coating projects. Inspection on coating is done to higher quality standards. Packing and delivery. Each piece is carefully inspected for quality assurance before being packed to prevent any scratches or damages during transit. Here, industry standard packaging materials are used to safeguard the finished products. The logistic team will collect the packet products and deliver it to the respective vendor. secure packaging, and reliable delivery treasures powder coated products.